Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a sonicator, or you can say it is an ultrasonic bath. This has a capacity of 5 liters. This one is inside is a chamber, is a stainless steel chamber. This one, and this one is an outlet for water going out. Whenever you have to use it, you can put any of the chamber. I am not putting the water. You should use the mineral water or the Bisleri water or the filtered water, like bottles. We have to have this bottle, so you can put the water up to this level. So the product which you are putting is up to the, it is filled to the top, and you can use the this chamber also. You can put the chamber inside also this, and then put the in the water. I am not putting it so that it is all stainless steel. The wire is provided, outlet stopcock is there, one stopcock is also provided, and you have to close it. When cleaning, this has a timer. You don't need to touch it, just bring it close. It works very well. You can bring the minutes and the temperature also. Once it goes the normal room temperature, then it shows you heating. If it is below room temperature, it will not show you heating. Heating is provided. This indicator is tells you the heating. Let me show you again. Increasing temperature. See, the heating has started. I can put it back below room temperature. Now the heating is not going on. Heating has stopped. So this is on off switch. Timer indicator for frequency. It is all for frequency. Indicator is there, and this timer is. You don't need to touch it. Just bring close to it, and it works. And this is for start. When you have to start, you see the sound is showing you. It can be used for cleaning all different items. This video is very easy to use. Please visit the website and visit the abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com or abroninfo@abronexports.com. Please share the video, subscribe the video, buy from us, send an email 9416020018 WhatsApp. Thank you very much.